This is the ReparoSpace Electric Cryotherapy Chamber Whole Body Cold Exposure Therapy for Health Institutions by ALIBABA.
The ReparoSpace Electric Cryotherapy Chamber Whole Body Cold Exposure Therapy for Health Institutions by ALIBABA. What is up, everyone? It's MMA Champ HQ. Today, we aren't talking about training harder. We are talking about recovering smarter. We are conducting a high-level technical audit of the ReparoSpace Stable Quality Electric Cryotherapy Chamber for health institutions, elite combat gyms, and professional recovery centers. This is the ultimate operational asset. Let's break down the technical architecture. The most critical factor here is the transition to electric-only technology. As a fighter, I don't want to deal with liquid nitrogen tanks, gas handling, or oxygen sensors. This is a purely electric refrigeration-based system. It's cleaner, safer, and significantly more reliable for high-frequency use. It's built for the grind, and that starts with a fast cooling startup. In a pro gym or a busy clinic, you can't have athletes standing around waiting for a unit to reach them. This system reduces the preparation time between sessions, ensuring your throughput remains high and your recovery schedule stays on track. But in the cage and in the clinic, consistency is everything. The ReparoSpace delivers stable temperature delivery throughout the entire cabin. This performance is backed by real-time performance feedback and precise temperature monitoring. You aren't guessing if the treatment is working. You have the data right in front of you. Now for the moguls running the facility, the mobile app control is where this gets smart. You can manage sessions and monitor system health right from your phone. Because the internal components are optimized for routine operation, the energy efficiency is top tier. You are lowering your long-term overhead while providing an elite level service. It's an investment that pays for itself. Looking at the build, the durable interior design is constructed to take a beating from daily use. It uses industrial-grade materials that handle thermal stress without breaking down. On top of that, you get professional technical support throughout the product's lifecycle. To wrap this up, the ReparoSpace Electric Chamber is a beast of safety and institutional efficiency. If you're ready to bring this tech into your facility, I have placed the verified ALIBABA Deep link in the description below. That link connects you directly to the ReparoSpace team for technical quotes. This is MMA CHAM PHQ. Train like a beast, recover like a king. I'll see you in the next audit.